Hello the tube, received a knife this morning. It's the SR2010C, so the SR2010C mini folding knife with camo. Scissors comes, nice box, not crushed in as the last one was. The Johnny bag. I had this just as a mess around knife, obviously, and it's just for the looks of it, really. This thing is sturdy, it's full metal. Frame lock. Probably kind of dangerous, this knife, like. Yeah, it's nice. So like a little trinket, kind of sharp as well. Frame lock. Nice high pocket clip. So look at the specs then. So the hardness is 55 HRC. The blade handle is 2CR13. Yeah, it's nice. No play, it's a good thing. It's got SR on the blade. I don't know whether you can pick that up. But, I just like the shape on it, everything. It's a little mini. The blade material is 3CR13. The blade length is 5.4 centimeters. The blade width is 2.3 centimeters. Unfolded is 12.3 centimeters. And folded 6.9 centimeters. But for me, this is something different. I haven't seen one of these before, to be honest. They look kind of dangerous. Oh well. So another one for the cheap ass collection. Cheers all. Thanks for looking. Cheap ass knives.